Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Lamborghini cars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Integrity levels fluctuating slightly. Reroute auxiliary power to stabilizers.
Confirmed. Stabilization sequence initiated. Levels are normalizing.
Temperature stabilizing at 125, but the pressure keeps climbing. Look at the integrity readings. We're losing containment in Sector 3.
Check the thermal regulators. I'm seeing a pressure drop anomaly.
Confirmed. Diagnostics running on the integrity sensors. Every Lamborghini is handcrafted and engineered for peak performance.
Every Lamborghini undergoes rigorous quality testing before delivery.
And that's how Lamborghini cars are made. Atrocious. From start to finish.